car into the wall on turn 4. Hit the wall very hard, coming on the 4.
And Hobbs, we said, has now rejoined the field after a lengthy pit stop. I think Mark Donahue might have run out of fuel, and they changed 2 right-hand tires on his car. They're fueling it up and getting ready to fire the machine up. They have.
We never planned for this. This just kind of happened. And it was a love affair with history, with automotive history, and understanding the characters that have made up this sport. There isn't a car here that doesn't have a good chunk of known history to it. Can we find a photo of the owner? Can we find out who that person was, the story, the life they led? Well, people's really the base of what this all is. We didn't do this to win awards. We didn't do this to be interviewed like we are today. We're here to keep these memories alive. We're here to preserve the past here. And I mean, we're a layer right now of these cars' history. Doesn't mean they're always going to be with us. The last word Dan Gurney told me was keep it flying. That's a promise I kept him. My name is Jacques Dresang. I am the lead researcher, driver, and authenticator here at Kettle Moraine Preservation and Restoration.